What is that? Like, what do they think that it entails? When they post, you could probably make a lot of fucking money off OnlyFans if you just do one post and that's it. Or you taper it. You taper it from like boobs. Well, what the fuck? Okay, what do people, what are some things that you guys could tell me that people put on OnlyFans? Hi. But what? Oh, cool. Okay, I get it. So you can post, okay, you post 15 seconds of something, and then if people are like, oh, I want to see the rest of it. Okay, that makes sense. That actually completely summed it up for me. Thank you. Because I couldn't even think why anyone would make an OnlyFans. That shit can still get leaked. I thought my boob was out. Dude, that shit can still get leaked. Someone said my boob was sagging. That comes with having real boobs. Hey, you want to know something cool? You want to know something crazy? Come here. Hey, you want to know something crazy as fuck? Come here. Dude, if your boobs are real, sometimes they sag. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that the craziest thing, though? Like, it's wild. But, God damn it. I swear to God, this is gonna be my fucking downfall, dude. I don't know about you guys. I always have shit in my nose. I hate my boobs too, but we can hate our boobs together. I love you. You're my best friend now because we hate our tits. So that's cool. Go team.